Virtual reality, VR, is a technology that immerses users in a computer-generated environment, allowing them to interact with a simulated reality as if it were real. This technology typically involves the use of a head-mounted display, HMD, that covers the user's eyes and ears, blocking out the physical world and replacing it with a digital one. VR can also incorporate other sensory inputs, such as touch and sound, to enhance the immersive experience. One interesting fact about virtual reality is that its roots can be traced back to the 1960s, when computer scientist Ivan Sutherland created the first head-mounted display system called the Sword of Damocles. This early VR system was primitive compared to today's technology, but it laid the foundation for the development of modern VR devices. Virtual reality can transport users to fantastical worlds, simulate real-life scenarios for training purposes, or provide immersive entertainment experiences. From gaming and education to healthcare and architecture, VR has applications across a wide range of industries. As the technology continues to advance, the possibilities for its use are expanding rapidly. In essence, virtual reality blurs the line between the physical and digital worlds, creating a sense of presence and immersion that can be both exhilarating and transformative. By understanding the definition and capabilities of virtual reality, we can appreciate how this technology is reshaping our perception of the world around us. Augmented reality, AR, is a technology that overlays digital information onto the real world, blending the physical and virtual realms. Unlike virtual reality, which immerses users in a completely simulated environment, augmented reality enhances the existing environment by adding virtual elements. One interesting fact about augmented reality is that its concept dates back to the early 1900s with the invention of the stereoscope that provided a 3D view of images. However, it wasn't until the late 20th century that AR technology began to take shape with the development of head-mounted displays and computer vision systems. Augmented reality can be experienced through various devices, such as smartphones, tablets, and AR glasses, which use cameras and sensors to overlay digital content onto the real world in real time. This technology has found applications in diverse fields, including gaming, navigation, education, and healthcare. For example, AR apps like Pokemon Go have brought augmented reality into mainstream entertainment, allowing users to interact with virtual creatures in their physical surroundings. In the medical field, AR is used for surgical training, where surgeons can visualize internal structures overlaid on a patient's body during procedures. Augmented reality has the potential to revolutionize how we perceive and interact with the world around us, blurring the boundaries between the physical and digital realms. By understanding the definition and capabilities of augmented reality, we can appreciate its transformative impact on various industries and everyday experiences. Virtual and augmented reality technologies have a rich history that dates back several decades. The concept of virtual reality, VR, can be traced back to the 1960s when computer scientist Ivan Sutherland created the first head-mounted display system called the Sword of Damocles. This early VR system, though primitive by today's standards, laid the foundation for the development of modern VR devices. In the 1980s and 1990s, VR technology gained momentum with the introduction of commercial VR headsets and immersive experiences in entertainment and gaming. One of the notable milestones during this period was the release of the Virtuality arcade machines in the early 90s, which offered multiplayer VR gaming experiences. Augmented reality, AR, also has a fascinating history that dates back to the early 1900s. The concept of overlaying digital information onto the real world can be seen in inventions like the stereoscope, which provided a three-dimensional view of images. However, it wasn't until the late 20th century that AR technology began to take shape with the development of head-mounted displays and computer vision systems. In 1992, researcher Tom Caudell coined the term augmented reality while working at Boeing, where AR was used to assist aircraft wiring assembly. The early 2000s saw the emergence of AR applications in various industries, including automotive, healthcare, and education. One of the significant milestones in AR history was the launch of the AR app LiAR in 2009, which allowed users to scan their surroundings with a smartphone camera and access digital content. As both VR and AR technologies continued to evolve, advancements in hardware, software, and user experience have propelled their adoption across industries. Today, VR and AR technologies are being used for training simulations, interactive storytelling, virtual tours, and more, shaping how we perceive and interact with the world around us. Virtual reality, VR, technology has found applications across various industries, revolutionizing how we work, learn, and interact. In the healthcare sector, VR is being used for medical training, surgical simulations, and pain management. For instance, VR simulations allow medical students to practice procedures in a realistic virtual environment before working with real patients. In therapy, VR is used to treat phobias, PTSD, and anxiety disorders by exposing patients to controlled virtual scenarios. The automotive industry has also embraced VR for design visualization, prototyping, and virtual showrooms. Car manufacturers use VR to create and test vehicle prototypes in a virtual space, reducing time and costs associated with physical prototypes. VR is also transforming the education sector by providing immersive learning experiences. Students can explore historical sites, travel to outer space, or dissect virtual organisms, enhancing their understanding of complex subjects. In the entertainment industry, VR has opened up new possibilities for gaming, storytelling, and interactive experiences. VR games like Beat Saber and Half-Life Alyx offer players immersive gameplay experiences that blur the line between reality and fantasy. Architects and real estate developers are leveraging VR technology for architectural visualization, walkthroughs, and client presentations. With VR, clients can virtually tour properties, customize designs, and experience spaces before they are built. The tourism industry is using VR to offer virtual tours of destinations, hotels, and attractions, allowing travelers to preview and plan their trips from anywhere in the world. VR is also making waves in the training and simulation sector, where it is used for military training, flight simulations, and safety drills. Companies can train employees in high-risk scenarios without putting them in danger, improving safety and efficiency. Overall, the diverse applications of VR technology across industries showcase its potential to transform how we work, learn, and experience the world. Augmented reality AR technology has made significant strides in various industries, offering innovative solutions and enhancing user experiences. In the retail sector, AR is transforming the way customers shop by providing virtual try-on experiences. Retailers like IKEA and Sephora use AR apps to allow customers to visualize furniture in their homes or try on makeup virtually before making a purchase. This not only improves customer engagement, but also reduces return rates. Another interesting application of AR is in the field of navigation and wayfinding. Apps like Google Maps and AR-based navigation systems provide real-time directions and overlay information on the physical environment, making it easier for users to navigate unfamiliar places. AR is also revolutionizing the field of manufacturing and maintenance. Companies like Boeing use AR glasses to guide technicians through complex assembly processes, reducing errors and improving efficiency. In the automotive industry, AR is used for heads-up displays, HUDs, that project information like speed, navigation, and alerts onto the windshield, enhancing driver safety and convenience. The healthcare sector has also benefited from AR technology, with applications in medical imaging, surgery, and patient care. Surgeons use AR systems to overlay 3D images of internal organs during procedures, improving precision and reducing risks. AR is also being used for medical education and patient education, allowing healthcare professionals to explain complex concepts visually. In the field of architecture and construction, AR is used for visualizing building designs, conducting virtual walkthroughs, and detecting errors in construction. Architects and engineers can overlay digital models onto physical spaces, enabling them to make real-time adjustments and improvements. AR is also making waves in the field of marketing and advertising. Brands use AR campaigns to create interactive and engaging experiences for consumers. For example, AR-enabled packaging allows customers to scan products and access additional information or virtual experiences. The versatility and adaptability of AR technology have led to its widespread adoption across industries, offering new ways to engage customers, improve processes, and enhance productivity. Virtual and augmented reality technologies have a profound impact on human perception, reshaping how we experience and interact with the world around us. One of the key ways in which VR and AR influence perception is by altering our sense of presence and immersion. When users engage with virtual environments through VR headsets or AR applications, they often report feeling a strong sense of being present in the digital space, even though they are physically in a different location. This blurring of boundaries between the physical and virtual worlds can lead to a heightened sense of realism and emotional engagement. Interestingly, studies have shown that exposure to virtual environments can evoke similar emotional and physiological responses as real-world experiences, indicating the power of VR and AR to influence our perceptions and reactions. Another fascinating aspect of VR and AR's impact on human perception is their ability to enhance spatial awareness and cognitive abilities. By overlaying digital information onto the physical environment, AR systems can provide users with real-time contextually relevant data, such as navigation instructions or object recognition. This augmentation of reality can improve decision-making, problem-solving, and memory recall by providing additional cues and information. Moreover, VR simulations can offer unique perspectives and viewpoints that are not possible in the real world, allowing users to explore and understand complex concepts in new ways. Additionally, VR and AR technologies have the potential to alter social interactions and communication patterns. Virtual environments enable users to connect with others in shared digital spaces, fostering collaboration and social presence. AR applications like virtual meetings and remote collaboration tools are changing how we communicate and work together, transcending physical distances and barriers. Overall, the impact of virtual and augmented reality on human perception is multifaceted and far-reaching, influencing our senses, cognition, emotions, and social interactions in profound ways. Virtual and augmented reality technologies face several challenges and limitations that impact their widespread adoption and effectiveness. One of the primary challenges is the issue of motion sickness and discomfort experienced by some users when using VR headsets. This phenomenon, known as cybersickness, can occur due to mismatches between visual and vestibular cues, leading to nausea and disorientation. Another challenge is the high cost of VR and AR hardware and software, which can be prohibitive for individuals and organizations looking to implement these technologies. Additionally, the need for powerful computing devices to run VR applications can pose a barrier to entry for some users. Privacy and security concerns also present significant challenges for VR and AR technologies. As these systems collect and process vast amounts of user data, there are risks of data breaches, unauthorized access, and misuse of personal information. Furthermore, the lack of standardized content creation tools and development processes can hinder the scalability and interoperability of VR and AR applications across platforms. Despite these challenges, ongoing research and innovation are addressing many of these limitations to enhance the user experience and expand the potential applications of virtual and augmented reality technologies. The future of virtual and augmented reality, VR/AR technologies holds exciting possibilities and advancements that are set to transform various industries and everyday experiences. One of the key trends in VR is the development of more immersive and realistic experiences through advancements in display technology, haptic feedback, and spatial audio. Companies are working on creating higher resolution displays, wider field of view, and lighter, more comfortable headsets to enhance the sense of presence and immersion for users. In the AR space, the focus is on improving object recognition, tracking accuracy, and occlusion capabilities to seamlessly integrate digital content into the physical world. This will enable more interactive and context-aware AR experiences that blend seamlessly with the user's surroundings. Another trend to watch out for is the convergence of VR and AR technologies, known as mixed reality, MR, which combines the best elements of both technologies to create hybrid experiences. MR applications have the potential to revolutionize how we interact with digital content in real-world environments, opening up new possibilities for gaming, education, training, and more. As VR and AR technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see increased adoption in fields such as healthcare, education, retail, and entertainment, as well as the emergence of new use cases and applications that push the boundaries of what is possible.